What is going on, everyone? It's your boy Ernest Mampana from the Cell Phone FX Traders, and I welcome you back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Today we're going to be analyzing Nasdaq, and it's only Nasdaq that we are having, and then the rest of the analysis will come as the week goes. So without wasting much time, let us get straight into the video.
Okay, a guy believer I will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and once again, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. As you can see right here, I already have Nasdaq opened, and let us get started with the analysis. Alright guys, as you can see, I start on a daily time frame, on a bigger time frame. So what we have been experiencing is that we saw this move to the downside from right here up until currently the market is down there. I remember in one of my videos anticipating this move since we heard of the new variant, and I did mention that this might be the same move that we had when COVID was still fresh and new. Let's scroll back to see if we covered that already. So this was when lockdown was initiated. The market dropped like that. So we're going to compare these two charts to see exactly what is happening. So finally, as you can see right here, start right here. Yes. So as you can see, we are just few pips away from that. From here to here is just a few pips, and then that would cover the move that we had from March up until, let me see how many months that was. Oh, it was only March. Yeah, this drop here we had, we are only left with few pips to cover that move. So this new variant really crashed the market. Now let us analyze to see what would happen this week. So already I would start with my lowest point and my highest points in the market. We can see already that the market has approached this lowest point right here, and in a very impulsive manner. So we might expect to see the market shooting down again. Well, on the other hand, this could be a very serious support where we are now expecting more buyers to come into the market. As we can see right there, the market is at a zone where it once failed, but at this point right here, we are not even 100% sure that it's going to fail, because the manner in which it approached this zone is not confirming that it's going to fail. Also, if we dive deep to a smaller time frame, we would see that already the market has passed that. We just need to see if it's going to reject or not. It could be false breakout, by the way. So if the market is really breaking, then we can expect to hit this level right here. Maybe we then can continue with the move to the upside. Now that's what we have on Nasdaq on a daily time frame. Let us switch to a smaller time frame. Actually, before we leave the daily time frame, we initially had this, and finally we broke this channel right here. Finally we broke the channel right there. So it might be the case that the market might come back up again, this point, and then continue going down, come back again, and then just like that we might have that. It is highly possible. It is highly possible to have something like this. So let us switch to a 4-hour time frame. On my 4-hour time frame, let me see what we can do right here. So you can see right here we have this one to the downside, and currently we just broke impulsively right there. There are two things that I'm expecting right here: a rejection to come back up to test at this level, and then the market might continue, finally break, like I said, on a bigger time frame. Or one thing that could happen again is that the market might still come back down here, giving us a double bottom, and then continue going up. So these are the two scenarios that I'm looking forward to trade. Currently we're going to wait and see what would happen exactly when the market opens. This is the type of the analysis that I would be looking at. Now if I were to buy right now, I wouldn't buy for a longest time. Obviously, as I said, I would buy from here up until here. Let's go to an hour time frame. As we can see, even on an hour time frame, I don't think our buying opportunities would be a great thing at this point right here, because we just had this as type of a correction, meaning that we might expect the very same move to the downside like that. So that could be from here to here, so we might expect that move to reach at this level right here. So let me get that level on a daily time frame where we said the market might also push to. On the daily time frame, this is the level that I said the market might push to, and even with this leg right here that we are spotting on an hour time frame, it can confirm that the market might still get to that point. So for now, we are going to wait and see exactly what is happening, then we will be free to buy at this point right here, because already we can see that the market has just broke this zone right here. And once the market gets to that area, upon the confirmation of course, then that's where we're going to have all those moves to the upside. But we need to be careful here. We're not going to swing for a very long time. We're just going to have it like that for now, and then once we hit that, we see the manner in which it approached this zone right here. If it approaches that zone in a very impulsive way, then we know that we might continue shooting up like that. So we're just going to keep on scaling in upon on great confirmations. If you have made it up until this very end, I really appreciate that. It really helps a lot with the channel. Also, like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. It's your boy Ernest Mampana, and I'm going to be giving you the currencies throughout the week. I'm out.